In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the algae as food. In coastal regions, seaweeds are used for human food from the ancient times. Seaweeds are the algae and etc. Research in Japan, Germany, United States of America have shown that nutritive value and per unit area yield of algae is much more than conventional crops. Conventional crops are those which need heavy pesticides, insecticides, and chemical fertilizers. Porifera, ulva, chlorella, chondrus, alaria, codium are some genera which are used as food in various forms. Porphyra. It is red algae which grows in shallow seawater. It is very rich in protein and carbohydrates. About 35% of proteins and 45% of carbohydrates is present in Porifera. Point 3. It is also a good source of vitamin B and C. Point 4. It is common food item in Japan, China, Britain and many other countries of Pacific Ocean. Point 5. Porphyra soup is highly prized in Europe. And nori is a dish which is made by the Porifera. On this screen you can see the image of the Porifera. Chondrus crispus. Point 1. A gelatinous carbohydrate obtained from Chondrus crispus is used in pudding, especially in the America. Chondrus crispus is also known as purple Irish moss. It is also used as stabilizer and cleaning agent. Blanc mange is a dish which is commonly known as the pudding in America. On this screen, you can see the image of Chondrus crispus. Rhodamania palmata, red algae. Point 1. A salty confection, commonly known as dulse, is obtained from Rhodamania palmata. In Scotland, it is also chewed as tobacco. On the screen, you can see the image of Rhodamania palmata. Lemania. Point 1. It is considered as delicacy in Manipur. It is called as Nangkham. Laminaria saccharina. Food obtained from Laminaria saccharina is known as kombu. It is a famous dish. And it is the most repeated question in the entrance exams like CSIR. What is the dish prepared by Laminaria saccharina? 57% of carbohydrates are present. On the screen you can see the image of Laminaria. Gelidium and Gracilaria. These are the red algae used in the preparation of the ice cream and the jellies. On the screen you can see the image of Gelidium and Gracilaria. Chlorella. It is also known as space algae, and chlorella is a single cell protein SCP. Point 1. It is a green algae and it is more useful than porphyra in terms of nutritional value. Point 2. Its nutritional value is comparable to that of mixture of soybean and spinach, which are highly proteinaceous. Point 3. Chlorella species are highly producers of lipids and proteins. On the screen, you can see the image of the chlorella. Point 4. It contains about 30% of carbohydrates, 30% of proteins, and 15% of lipids and vitamin B. Point 5. Chlorella is useful in space flights and nuclear submarines as food, and so is also in recycling and oxygen regenerating system. Spirulina. Spirulina is cultured Dried, powdered, and then used in form of tablets. It contains 60% of proteins, essential vitamins, and unsaturated fatty acids. Fendus Point 1. It is rich in proteins and is also rich in threonine. Point 2. It has a high dietetic value equal to that of skimmed milk. Skimmed milk is milk from which the cream is removed. On the screen, you can see the image of Fendus Nostoc. The colonies of nostoc are boiled and are used as food or soup in China. On the screen, you can see the image of the nostoc. Spirogyra. It is a South Indian dish commonly known as green laver in the Chennai, and it is known as anori in Japan and cabbage in the China. The and it is commercially cultivated in Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. Ulva. In Japan, ulva is used as salad. Monostroma. And the dish is prepared by monostroma, which is known as onori. On the screen, you can see the image of the Spirogyra, ulva, and the monostroma. And in the image 1, it is the Spirogyra, and in the image 2, it is ulva, and in the image 3, it is monostroma. Hope you found this video helpful. Then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.